Hello and welcome once more to Modestine Favor. Today I'm going to be sharing you a little bit of what I did throughout the day. So I needed to buy some palm oil. I had to go directly to the local palm mill besides me. So I came here to get some oil. You can see palm nuts spread all over. So this is another man I met. He also came to buy his own palm oil. This is a local production center. We are going to do a full video on this, where we'll see the processes involved in extracting the palm oil from the nut. So today, just having a glimpse of what it looks like. That's where they cook the palm nut. There's a grinding mill where they grind to extract the oil from it. So you can imagine. But what it matters is the quality is so good. The quality is good. It's first class. It's a wide place though, very vast, with different people coming in. Those who come to sell, those who come to buy, those who just come to deposit the palm nut and go. So this palm nut season, if you are doing palm oil business, this is the best time to invest in your business, because palm oil is really affordable from now till April and May. Buy and stock. You see, that's my own that I came to collect. Just bought one drum. That's for house use. That is it. So from here now, I'm going to be carrying you directly to the house. Let's start the activities of the day. This was very early in the morning, 6 a.m. that I came here to get this palm oil. From there, I had to go to the market, come back. No, I didn't videotape me going to the market, but when I was arranging my vegetables, I did a small video. Please stay and watch. Don't forget to support my channel with a like, with a subscribe, and also comment. If you are here for the first time, drop a comment. Let me know that you are there so I can give you special shout out. Yeah, this man also came and bought his own like me. So I left directly, got my vegetables, and now I'm fixing my vegetables. I was so lucky that my mom was around, so she helped me in arranging the vegetables. That's it there. You need to select it because the leaves are so tiny. But this is our local vegetable, local, not as huckleberry, the local type. So after washing the vegetables, selecting, you need to watch. You slice, you cook. Kati, jama. That's our local meal though. So I love it. Each time I'm preparing this, I'm so happy because it makes me to remember when we're growing up, when I was still with my mom. So coming around, I couldn't just not cook it. That's our veggie on the fire already. We don't fry with oil, locally made, just with palm oil. It's always accompanied with chicken fried with palm oil as well. Some people will be like, are you sure? That's our chicken. We are struggling to kill it. You know, I bought a live chicken because at times I don't like the frozen ones that we get from the supermarket. I just prefer to go for the live one. Come and arrange myself. So that is it. We got to slice so as to kill it. We soak in hot water to remove the feathers. If you don't boil the water, the feathers will not come out. So this is boiled water that we are using to soak. We soak it well so that the feathers will be pulling off. If not, you have difficulties pulling off the feathers. After soaking, just take time, pull off all the feathers, clean it to be so clean. So you'll be able now to proceed with your roasting and your cooking. Remember, it is not a spicy meal. This is a traditional meal. It's not spicy. So we are not using extra ingredients. Palm oil, some cube, some salt, and we are good to go. You love it. So after taking your time to remove all the feathers, we are going to first of all dry it on the fire so that all those small feathers that are still there will be completely removed. Yes, removing with your hands like this, some small particles will still stay by. So it's only after you have to dry on the fire that all those other smaller particles will come out. Once everything is ready, you have to slice and then watch and fry directly. So you slice according to your own sizes that you want. Thank you. I just want to say thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. If you really love this video, any of the recipes or my daily activity as a whole, please subscribe for more and encourage me with a like and with a share as well. Invite someone to check out on this amazing channel. Modestin Favour, bringing the vibes, bringing the lifestyle, everything all in one platform. Thank you so much. Until next video, stay blessed.